I read that otters live in kelp forests. They even wrap up in kelp when they go to sleep so they don't float away.
That's true, but there's no kelp here, and no otter mommy, which means something is very wrong.
But let me guess. You know just who to send to kelp. I mean, help.
That I do. Rosie, strength power. Bonnie, vision power. Indigo, speed power. Ready, Rangers?
Rangers ready! Floof, 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 floof!
Right, Rangers.